Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This vlog is just a compilation of the things I did during our prelims week as a BMA first year student. So sana magustuhan niyo itong vlog. So yung ginagawa ko pala dito is nagmo-margin muna ako para sa first plate namin for drawing 1, which is value skills. So, makikita niyo dyan guys na super lock-in ko dyan kasi ginamit ko yung phone ko para mag-time-lapse at para hindi ma-distract yung sarili ko para mapunta sa mga social medias, mag-scrolls at para lock-in talaga para gumawa ng plates. Yung din pala itong plate is next week pa, pero ginawa ko siya agad-agad kasi baka may pumatong pang ibang gawain like plates. Baka makram ko na at hindi ko gusto mag-cram at mag-crash yung plate na to.
I care for you too much for this casual thing to be enough. Should probably let this go.
Kinabukasan is tinuloy ko yung hindi ko natapos sa gabi at sakto-sakto Saturday yun at wala pa masyadong ginagawa and online class ng NSTP namin, so tinapos ko na lang yung plate. This is also Saturday night at pumunta ko sa ibang pwesto sa bahay namin kasi ang sakit na ng likod ko gagawa nitong plates at pumunta ko sa ibang pwesto kasi mas maliwanag at hindi masakit sa mata.
And I know it's not just me. Takes two for level 3.
After 2 weeks of working on this plate, this is the final product. It's not perfect, but I did my best on this first plate for drawing 1. Another day, another plate. So for this plate pala is we're gonna do a Rangoli art inspired in Indian culture. Pagkatapos pala ng PE class namin is pumunta ko sa student lounge just in our library to review for our next subject, which is psychology, understanding of self. At yung study method pala that works for me is writing notes down. Hindi ko talaga bet yung digital kasi mas gusto ko yung nahawakan ko yung notes at nababasa ko yung notes ko kaysa digital notes, and also writing my note in my index card to put the important stuff to remember. Hindi siya masyadong wordy. For this plate is gagawa kami ng parang photo collage and maghahanap kami ng adjectives that describes ourselves in certain font, which is the American wood type font. This is plate under history of graphic design. So, dito na nagtatapos ang aking vlog and I hope you enjoy and thank you for watching.